In this video, we will learn how to set the tax setting in CheckTime Payroll software. First, you log into your time attendance software. Then you click the wages. It will open the new tab for you. Then after that, we will go to setting. In last video, we have learned how to set the bank detail and loan info. In this video, we are learning how to set the tax setting in CheckTime Payroll software. So first we click the setting, then we go tax setting. So we have here multiple tax detail. So if your company has compliances with EPF, ESI, professional tax, labor fund, or bonus, TDS, then this all you can check or uncheck as per your company requirement. Your fiscal year you can set from January to December, like the India we follow April to March. Like you can click update, the setting will be updated. The second, you can set work location. If you have multiple branch, like I have one branch in Punjab, then second in Delhi, so we will add like this. Okay, so this is how you can add multiple work location. So tax setting and work location. Then second, components we can set as per, if your organize is EPF enable, you can see here EPF, ESI, then ESI. Like in this setting, if I enable this thing, and we go to components, you can see this. So you have to enter the EPF number, monthly cycle, quarterly or yearly, which one you prefer to pay to the government, employee contribution rate here, then employer, then whatever other component you can set as per your payroll. Same thing is ESI number, employee contribution, professional tax, you can add state, okay, number, everything. After that, labor welfare fund, bonus, everything you can set. How you are paying monthly, you are paying yearly, which month you pay every yearly to the workers is up to you. After that, you can save. This setting will be saved. If you're deducting the TDS, then click here, and TDS surcharge, everything will come here. This is how you can set the tax setting in CheckTime Payroll software. In next video, we will learn maintenance option, how you can give the loan, claim and overtime. Thanks for watching.